Welcome back to another CAD/CAM tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to divide a body into two parts and move the parts away from each other. Basically, this is a split and move command tutorial in Siemens NX. So without wasting time, I'm going to create the rectangular block. So use the extrude command, and then you sketch a rectangle of length 200 and height 80 millimeters, and then you make the thickness of the block 15 millimeters. Okay, so this is the rectangular block that you are going to split. So in order to divide the body, come to menu, insert, and then under trim we have this split body command. For the split body command, we need the target body, which will be this body, and then a tool that will be a face or plane, even an extrude or a revolve that will be at the point where we want to create the split. There is nothing here, so come back and then insert a datum plane at a distance from this right plane. Since the length of the rectangle is 200, we make the distance 100 so that the datum plane will be in the middle of the block. Okay. Then you come back to the split body. The target will be this body or the rectangular block, and then the tool will be this plane. Apply. So we can see the body has been divided into two parts. When you set the selection filter to solid body, you have this body and then this body as well. To make it very obvious, I'm going to change the color. So under view, edit, object display. First I'll click on this body and change the color to red. Apply. Again, this body and change the color to blue. So we have now divided the rectangular block into two different parts. I'm going to hide this datum plane. Okay, set the selection filter back to no selection filter and hide this datum plane and this coordinate system. Next, you're going to move the two parts away from each other. In order to move the body, come to menu, edit, and move object. Or you can use the Ctrl+T to open it straight forward. Normally, this is the display of the move object. So we come to settings and then select more so that other options can also be here. This is very important. First, you select the object you want to move. So I'll click on this blue part. Under the motion, we have different types of motion. We are going to use the dynamic motion so that we have these arrows and points that we can translate or rotate. And then we want to select move original and make sure you check associative instead of move parent. If you check move parent, it will move the second body as well, but if you check associative, it will move just the one that we have selected. So this is why we made sure these settings appeared over here. Now click on this arrow and move the parts in any direction that we want. Show results, and this is the part that has been moved. You can do the same thing for this as well. And yeah, that is how to split a body into two different parts and move the parts away from each other. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video to your friends as well. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Safe.